we guide you through how to stop pop up ads on your Android phone. First thing you need to do is to open settings, go to privacy or apps, then tap special access, appear on top, and turn off permission for any suspicious apps. Next, open Chrome, tap the three dots, settings, site settings, then disable pop ups and redirects and turn on ads blocking. After that, go to Play Store, tap your profile, open payments and subscriptions, notifications, and turn off promotional notification. And finally, check your installed apps and uninstalled any recently deleted or unknown apps because these are usually the main cause of pop up ads.